Sunny, 75. The boys, no girls allowed today, right?
No girls allowed on the first day.
Feel free to make fun of Brad for not bringing any girls on the first day.
Do you know what? Meet us at the lake, girls. We'll be there in 20 minutes.
All right, we got yesterday was opening day, right?
Yesterday was, but it was raining and cold.
Yeah, it's sunny and 45 today, not 75. Yeah. We got our wetsuits. We got the trudge, the German, Mr. Alex. How's your day? How's your yesterday?
Good.
Good.
All the time good.
All the time good. All right.
See his fuel efficient rental car he got to drive
Yeah.
all over the
Is that a hybrid Super Duty or?
It's a 1.9 TDI.
Perfect. All right, let's get out of here. It's like glass out there. I think we're gonna be the only boat out there. We're the smartest boat out there today.
We're the smartest boat out there today.
Anyways, didn't win cash for life, so I guess we'll have to stick with, not going to work ever.
The ranker.
Maybe I'll work later, probably not. All right, let's get out there, go freeze our asses off, and get a sunburn.
Pass some stuff. Load it up.
Here, cash your life.
No.
Oh yeah. She's boating season, Brad. Oh, look at that, it floats. Did you put the plug in, Trudge?
I didn't put the plug in.
Okay.
You put the plug in?
I can't remember. I think someone put the plug in. We'll find out in a few minutes, though. Here we go.
Still works, Don.
Yeah. Good old Thursdays. What do you think, Trudge?
Pretty great.
Nice glasses. Freshies.
Amazon Prime.
We should do some model shoots with those bad boys today.
Amazon Prime and sexy time.
Well, we got some drone footage. She almost went in, but it didn't. We saved it. It was about that far from the top of the water. Oh, yeah, gripping, ripping. Another day, another sunburn complete. Load her up. Maybe go down the track, load some cars. See what other trouble we can get into. How are your feet, Brad?
They are frozen.
Couple icicles.
Can't get out of here fast enough right now.
They've definitely only had this thing parked here since the fall. This tree is pretty. She's a fast grower. Grew right around the boat.
This one's got an Alabama 2000 registration.
It's been here since 2000. Jeez. Holy. Back home, we got the Maverick all jacked up. I just greased everything up in there. Got a shortened trailer hitch. I don't know if you can see it over there, but we're gonna put a trailer hitch on the shredder here. With the one I have is just a little too long. And we're gonna head down the track and load up a car. So, still got Alex here from Germany. He's here for a few more days, so he's just helping his thumbs. So, let's get this hitch shortened and load up the vehicle. So we're just getting this thing loaded up. As you can see, Alex has been a great help. He's been helping me clean everything up. He didn't just show up from Germany for nothing. Anyways, we'll get this thing loaded up, maybe do a few laps in the Sunfire, and we'll get out of here. How's that coffee?
It's great.
Pretty good? All right, let's load her up. That went on actually really easy. All right, I'm thinking we'll take the silver bullet for a quick rip. Back tires are locked up, so it's kind of like a ski trip, but we're gonna strap this thing down and yeah, we'll wrap her up. Let's do this. Timmy, what are you doing? Hey? Yeah, man. Back in the barn. Got the silver bullet. We got the old lifesaver here. This thing has been put to work this week. All right, fire the girl up, Alex. She dead? Got a good connection. Try it. This didn't have a good connection. Oh yeah, twin cams, baby. So the rear end is locked up on this thing. I think I'm gonna have to give you a love bump from the old Saturn over there. Yeah. This thing's just getting buried. Might want to shut your door. Hour for race. Oh, I can film it. Sunfire?
No, it's okay. It's all right.
Hey, good old Pontiac Sunfire. Just watch your finger there. I guess that's why they call it a Sunfire. Wow, that was some, it didn't sound good, but we better keep an eye on it. I was wondering why it was smoking that much, but yeah, that was pretty wild. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna go see if we can blow up the other Pontiac now. I don't know if we can get it started. It started the other day, but I'm gonna do a once over on this thing, make sure it's still not on fire underneath. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoying the videos. Check out the other videos. Have a fantastic day. We're gonna jump some other cars hopefully next week, and yeah, see what else we can find. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.